Modern trucks are evolving faster than ever, with smarter trailers, faster loading systems, and engineering designed to move more cargo with less effort. Today, we're counting down 10 next-level truck inventions that are changing the future of transport and heavy hauling. From advanced moving floor trailers to intelligent steering systems, these machines are built to solve real-world transport challenges in ways most people have never seen before. And trust me, some of these inventions are seriously impressive. Let's get into it. Number 10. Knappen KX. Unloading massive amounts of bulk material usually requires tipping the entire trailer, but the Knappen KX works in a completely different way. Instead of lifting the trailer body, it uses an advanced moving floor system that pushes cargo out horizontally. This allows fast and controlled unloading of grain, silage, wood chips, fertilizers, and other bulk materials, even in low-roof buildings or tight working areas where tipping would be dangerous. The power-speed walking floor system keeps the unloading process smooth and evenly controlled, helping reduce material buildup and downtime. A reinforced chassis, air suspension, and wide tires also improve stability and durability under heavy loads. Operators can control unloading functions, hydraulic tailgates, and tarp systems remotely, making the entire process safer and more convenient. What makes the Knappen KX stand out is its ability to combine high-capacity transport with safer unloading in difficult environments. Efficient, stable, and built for demanding bulk transport, this trailer is designed for modern agricultural and industrial operations. Number 9. Layer Lock Double-Decking Solutions. One of the biggest problems in freight transport is wasted vertical space inside trailers and containers. Layer Lock is designed to solve that problem by turning a single cargo area into multiple loading levels. Its modular double-decking system creates a second or even third storage layer for pallets, boxes, and mixed-height cargo. Lightweight aluminum tracks and strong steel beam assemblies allow the decks to slide smoothly while supporting heavy loads with minimal flexing. Some versions are built directly into containers for permanent double-deck setups, while others can be retrofitted into existing trailers and vans. The system helps operators increase payload capacity without overloading, while also protecting cargo during transport. By making full use of vertical space, fleets can reduce empty volume, improve efficiency, and transport more goods in fewer trips. Practical, modular, and highly space-efficient, Layer Lock transforms unused interior space into valuable cargo capacity. Number 8. Cable Drum Roller Trailer. Transporting massive cable drums is already difficult, but deploying those cables safely on site is an even bigger challenge. The STU Cable Drum Roller Trailer is designed to handle both jobs at once. Built from high-strength steel, the trailer carries large cable drums on a central rotating shaft, allowing the drum to unwind smoothly during installation. That means fiber optic, telecom, or power cables can be deployed directly from the trailer without unnecessary manual handling. Hydraulic axle arms and landing gear also make loading and positioning much safer and easier from ground level. During operation, the rotating system helps prevent cable twisting, damage, and uneven pulling while improving installation speed. Modern braking and suspension systems keep the trailer stable and road legal even under heavy loads. What makes this system stand out is how it combines transport and cable deployment into one efficient setup. Faster, safer, and more practical for large infrastructure projects. This trailer is built for modern utility and telecom work. Number 7. Knappen Floor Protection Sheet. Transporting abrasive materials like sand, metal scraps, or broken glass can seriously damage a trailer's floor over time. That's why Knappen developed the Floor Protection Sheet system. This smart solution adds a protective layer over the trailer floor, preventing sharp or loose materials from slipping between the moving floor planks and causing wear. The system is available as either a detachable cover or an integrated roll-up version, designed to keep the trailer fully functional during loading and unloading. Some integrated models even use an air pressure winding mechanism, allowing drivers to deploy or retract the sheet safely from ground level. By protecting against abrasion, moisture, and scratches, the system helps extend the lifespan of the trailer floor while reducing maintenance costs. It also improves long-term reliability for operators who regularly transport heavy or damaging cargo. Durable, practical, and easy to operate, the Knappen Floor Protection Sheet turns a standard moving floor trailer into a far more protected and efficient transport system. Number 6. Pavelli STV Series. Heavy-duty transport often requires trailers that can adapt to completely different types of cargo, and that's exactly what the Pavelli STV Series is built for. These specialized semi-trailers are designed to carry vehicles, machinery, and oversized industrial loads with maximum flexibility. Pavelli offers multiple versions, including the STV Strong, STV Spindle, STV Light, and STV Fast, each built for different transport demands. Many models feature extendable decks for oversized cargo, along with hydraulically liftable platforms and multiple axle setups for improved stability under heavy loads. Foldable ramps, secure lashing points, and optimized weight distribution also help improve safety and handling during transport. But one of the biggest advantages is customization. Operators can configure deck types, dimensions, and additional equipment based on specific transport needs. Strong, adaptable, and engineered for demanding logistics. The Pavelli STV series is designed to handle modern heavy transport challenges efficiently. Number 5. Max 100 Semi-Trailer. Transporting massive industrial equipment requires a trailer built for extreme loads, and the Max 100 is designed exactly for that job. This heavy-duty low loader comes in multiple axle configurations, allowing it to handle everything from construction machinery to oversized industrial cargo. Its low loading height and pneumatic suspension improve stability during transport, especially when carrying heavy or bulky equipment. Depending on the setup, the loading platform can also extend to carry longer cargo when needed. For easier loading and unloading, the trailer can include single or double ramps, wheel recesses, and even hydraulically liftable rear platforms. Multiple lashing rings and foldable tie-down points help secure difficult loads safely during transport. What makes the Max 100 stand out is its flexibility. The modular design allows operators to adapt the trailer for different industries and transport tasks without sacrificing strength or reliability. Built for heavy-duty performance and practical cargo handling, the Max 100 is made for demanding transport operations. Number 4. Cremaro Galoppino. Securing loads on tipping trucks can be difficult, especially when space between the cab and body is extremely limited. That's where the Cremaro Galoppino stands out. Unlike traditional tarpaulin systems, this design keeps the front completely clear by placing the motor inside the rear bow. The system also uses a single cable running above the body profile, preventing interference during loading and unloading. What makes it especially practical is how fast and simple it is to use. Drivers can open or close the cover, hook or unhook the cable, all from ground level and in less than 30 seconds. It supports multiple tarp materials for different industries, including construction, asphalt transport, quarry work, and waste removal. Operation can be controlled electrically through a remote or mobile app, making the entire process quicker and safer. Compact, efficient, and easy to operate, the Cremaro Galoppino is built to solve modern load-covering challenges in tight working environments. Number 3. Berger Eco Trail with Flex-in Bulk. This trailer is designed to carry more cargo while using less weight. The Berger Eco Trail uses an ultralight chassis made from high-strength steel, allowing operators to increase payload capacity without sacrificing durability. But the real innovation is the Flex-in Bulk system. The trailer floor can transform into 4 foldable bulk cargo compartments, lined with durable Kevlar-reinforced material for heavy-duty use, and each section works independently, meaning the trailer can carry bulk materials in one area and palletized freight in another at the same time. That flexibility helps reduce empty space, improve efficiency, and cut down on half-loaded trips. The lightweight design also helps lower fuel consumption and reduce emissions during transport. What makes this system stand out is how quickly it can switch between standard freight mode and bulk cargo mode without losing stability or strength. Smart, lightweight, and highly versatile, the Berger Eco Trail with Flex-in Bulk is built for modern freight transport. Number 2. Flegel SCS 300BL Ultra. Moving massive agricultural loads safely and efficiently is no easy task, and that's exactly what the Flegel SCS 300BL Ultra is built for. This heavy-duty semi-trailer is designed to transport round bales, square bales, and large freight loads with maximum stability. Its reinforced construction allows it to handle extremely high weights, while keeping the trailer balanced even in demanding conditions. To protect the cargo during transport, the trailer uses a tarpaulin cover with integrated tensioning belts, along with optional hydraulic load securing systems on both sides. That means better load protection, less material loss, and safer long-distance transport. It also features a support leg with a gearbox system, making coupling, decoupling, and parking much faster and easier for drivers. Built for both agricultural and freight operations, the SCS 300BL Ultra focuses on strength, efficiency, and secure cargo handling. With its high capacity and practical engineering, this trailer is designed to handle modern transport challenges with confidence. Number 1. BPW Active Reverse Control. Reversing a massive trailer into a tight space is one of the hardest parts of trucking, but BPW Active Reverse Control is designed to make it far easier. Unlike traditional self-steering axles that lose control while reversing, this system actively controls the trailer's steering in reverse. Sensors track wheel movement and direction in real time, while an electro-hydraulic system automatically adjusts the axle for smoother and more precise maneuvering. That means less trailer swing, tighter control, and much easier reversing in confined spaces. It can even help with low-speed forward steering, making trailer alignment quicker and more accurate. The system is lightweight, easy to install, and works on both new and existing trailers by improving handling, reducing tire wear, and helping fuel efficiency. BPW ARC turns difficult trailer maneuvering into something far more controlled and driver-friendly.